Situated in the heart of Europe, in Feistritz, the sunny south of Austria, Zenith Formen stands for a well-educated team of highly motivated specialists in the field of mold engineering for concrete products and with more than 45 years of worldwide experience. We are proud to be able to provide optimal solutions for satisfied clients. Decades of experience in concrete mold development has led us to the conclusion that it is the combination of high-skilled handcraft and modern CNC machine technology, which guarantees high quality combined with great flexibility and high durability. It is the specific know-how which secures the best solution for the customer's requirements, whether those come in welded or screwed implementations, with or without changeable modular systems. It clearly goes without saying that our systems are being steadily adapted to the growing strength and capacity of modern concrete production facilities, which place increasingly higher demands on the molds being designed and installed in them. In this context, it becomes clear that it is not the cheapest mold which guarantees the advantage needed by our customers, but the one with the highest liability, paired with top quality at a sharply calculated price. Our production line covers a broad range of concrete mold applications, for example, molds for floor layers, multi-layer and stationary machines. We have also acquired know-how and experience over decades in very specific fields, such as tilt stone, split block and casting mold production technologies, and are therefore clearly in a position to be able to convince you with top quality and top solutions. In the segment of wood concrete production, our customers not only benefit from our expert knowledge, but also have a competitive advantage in the market by profiting from our already approved solutions. Special molds for small production series, even in the field of site concrete, are part of our production range as well and are manufactured by us in the usual Zenith top quality. It is our passion to form concrete visions with our molds. We consider it our primary aim to find the most useful and economical solutions for our customers, always closely cooperating with them in order to ensure the competitive advantage they need.